everyone, it's V, and welcome once again to the Vinance Vault, where we unlock the secrets of financial freedom, one vault at a time. You know that feeling, seeing the vault overflowing with cash? That's exactly what we're going for. But instead of just dreaming about it, we're going to make it happen together. Over the next few minutes, I'm going to break down some seriously simple steps that can completely transform your financial life. I'm talking actionable advice you can use right now to start building the future you deserve. So are you ready to unlock your full financial potential? Let's get started. Okay, first things first, you need to figure out what financial freedom actually means to you. Now, you might be picturing a life of luxury cars, private jets, and a mansion on a private island. And hey, if that's your thing, more power to you. But here's the thing, financial freedom isn't a one-size-fits-all. It's about having the flexibility and security to live life on your own terms. Maybe you want to travel the world, start your own business, or simply have the peace of mind knowing you can cover your bills without stressing. Everyone's definition is different. So grab a notebook and let's get specific. Write down what truly matters to you. What are your passions? What experiences do you crave? What would a typical day look like in your ideal financially free life? Seriously, pause this video if you need to and really think about this, because once you have a clear vision of your goals, it's like having a financial compass guiding you towards the life you want. Trust me, defining your version of financial freedom is the crucial first step on this journey. Now, let's talk about the biggest obstacles to financial freedom: debt, especially high interest debt. We're talking credit cards, payday loans, the works. These things are like financial vampires, slowly draining your hard-earned money through interest payments. It's like trying to run a marathon with a vampire clinging to your back. It's exhausting and makes it really impossible to get ahead. But here's the good news. You can slay this monster. 2 words. Debt snowball. Here's how it works. You list all your debts from smallest to largest, regardless of interest rates. Then, you focus all your energy on attacking the smallest debts first, while making minimum payments on the rest. Once that first debt is gone, bam! You take the money you were putting towards it and roll it into the next smallest debt. It creates momentum like a snowball rolling downhill, gaining size and power. It's a psychological win that keeps you motivated to keep crushing your debt. I personally would recommend the debt avalanche, which focuses on prioritizing high interest debts first and can save you money in the long run. But for many, the snowball method provides a much needed psychological boost. Whatever method you choose, the key is consistency. Alright, let's talk about budgeting. I know, it sounds just about as exciting as watching paint dry, right? But trust me on this one. A budget isn't about restricting yourself. It's about giving yourself permission to spend on what truly matters to you. Think of this as your financial GPS, guiding you towards your destination, financial freedom. The first step is to track your spending. Where is your money actually going to each month? Once you have a clear picture, you can start setting spending priorities, needs versus wants people. Rent, utilities, groceries, those are non-negotiable. But that daily latte habit, maybe not so much. Now, visualize your income as a pie chart. Allocate slices to different categories: housing, transportation, food, savings, and yes, even fun money. The key is to find a balance that works for you, while still allowing you to make progress towards your goals. Remember, budgeting isn't about deprivation, it's about making conscious choices with your money. By taking control of your finances, you're taking control of your life. Time to talk investing, because let's be real, saving money alone won't make you rich. It's time to put your money to work for you. Think of investing like planting a money tree. The earlier you plant that seed, the more time it has to grow and flourish. This is the power of compound growth, people. It's like magic, but with money. Now, you might be thinking investing is complicated and risky, but it doesn't have to be. Start simple with index funds or ETFs. These are like baskets of stocks that track the performance of the entire market. They offer diversification, which means you're spreading your risk across hundreds or even thousands of companies. The key takeaway here is to start early and stay consistent. Even small contributions made consistently over time can grow into significant wealth thanks to the magic of compound interest. Remember, time is your greatest asset when it comes to investing. So plant that money tree today and watch it grow. Imagine this: you're walking a tightrope representing your income. If you only had one source of income, it's like having no safety net below. One wrong step and it's a long way down. But what if you had multiple income streams? Suddenly, you've got a safety net. Even if one source falters, you've got others to catch you. Now, diversifying your income doesn't mean you need to juggle 5 jobs. It can be as simple as starting a side hustle, renting out a spare room on Airbnb, or even creating and selling online courses or digital products. Think about your skills and passions. What unique value can you offer to the world? The beauty of multiple income streams is that it not only boosts your income potential but also provides a safety net in uncertain times. It's about creating financial stability and peace of mind, knowing you've got options. So start exploring those side hustle ideas and build yourself a financial safety net. You've worked hard to build your financial fortress, but now it's time to protect it. We're talking insurance, retirement savings, and estate planning. I know, not the most exhilarating topics, but trust me, these are crucial pieces of the financial freedom puzzle. First up, insurance. Life insurance, health insurance, disability insurance, these are not just expenses, they're investments in your future well being. They provide a financial safety net in case the unexpected happens. Next, let's talk retirement. The earlier you start saving, the better. Take advantage of employer-sponsored retirement plans like defined contribution pension scheme or defined benefit pension scheme, especially if there's an employer match. It's free money, people. Finally, don't wait until it's too late to think about estate planning. This involves creating a will, designating beneficiaries, and making sure your assets are distributed according to your wishes. By taking care of these essential elements, you're not just protecting your wealth, but also ensuring the financial security and well-being of yourself and your loved ones for years to come. So there you have it, a roadmap to unlocking financial freedom. Remember, it's not about getting rich quick. It's about making smart, consistent choices that align with your values and goals. It's about taking control of your finances so you can live life on your own terms. Start by defining your financial freedom. Tackle that debt monster head on. Create a budget that works for you. Plant those money trees early. Build multiple income streams for security and protect your future fortress. It's a journey, not a race, and every step you take brings you closer to achieving your financial dreams. Now go out there, take action, and unlock your full financial potential. Let's unlock the power of finance, one vault at a time.